Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Shifts. My name is Jason, and today we've partnered with Mabett, and they've actually sent us a few different things to try out on the Ford Bronco here. And today we're starting with extra cup holders that they sent us that go in the rear seat. So those of you who have a Bronco know that there's only a couple cup holders in the front, but here in America, we need more and more cup holders. So they've reached out and sent me some cup holders here. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up with you guys so you can see what comes in the box. And then we're gonna do an install and review of this. So in the box, you get a couple side pieces, it looks like. Some nice pictured instructions that'll help us through this. The main piece here, the cup holder itself, this is a removable cup holder. It's made of plastic here, and it looks like inside this bag they've given us a screwdriver, a couple of screws, and some plastic covers. So this should be a relatively easy, straightforward install. Let's go ahead and jump in the back of the Bronco here and get this installed. So the first thing it's going to have us do is remove some plastic clips that are on the side here. And to get to those, we're going to start by sliding these seats forward to start. All right, now that we move the seat forward, it exposes this trap door here, and we can go ahead and pop these panels off and expose this bolt. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. And this bolt is a 7mm. And we'll go ahead and remove this and then repeat on the other side. All right, so next up we need to take our brackets and assemble this back bracket. Now this is the modern or the updated version, so you can open and close this and remove and replace this if you want to. Take it out and clean it out or anything that you need to do. When this comes shipped, it comes shipped with the centerpiece of the bracket attached on here. So we have to open it up and slide it off. And then from here, you'll take the bracket and these bracket holes, and you'll use the screws provided in the kit to screw these down in. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, now we take this unit and we assemble it back in those bolts that we exposed and took out. Slide it into place. We take those original hardware and we're going to reinstall it back in. And repeat on the other side. At this point, we want to take the plastic covers that they provided in the kit and put those over the bolt holes. Now that those are in place, we can slide the cup holder into its place and lock it down. And it's in there nice and secure. Now we can put all the drinks we want back into the cup holder and we're all set to go. If you guys notice, I still have the last fit floor mats in here, and this fits right over top of it without a problem. This is a great cup holder. I like that you can take it out, Great product. Highly recommend this. There'll be a link to the product in the description of this video. Please click on the link. It helps us out. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this. Any questions, post those up. Let us know.